Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Camiforex right here, and I'm currently in Tanzania, Zanzibar for my vacation. And I've been giving some free signals in the community, and unfortunately, Telegram is banned in Tanzania, so I had to use a VPN. But currently at the Airbnb where I am currently at, which is Fumba Town. Hey, my friend, wanna go down? Currently at Fumba Town. Well, it's a beautiful estate that we have here, and the Wi-Fi they gave us, you can't connect with VPN here again to have access to Telegram. So I took some trades yesterday. I was anticipating a sell on gold. The sell came in late and I hit stop loss. I lose about $1,800 from that trade. You want to go down? Let's go down. Let's take our laptop and show these people something. Click on it. Yeah. Okay, go down. And let's look at this. So you can see right here. Oh, it just changed this to a different pair. I was looking at gold. Let it load and come up. So yesterday we took some trades. I didn't give the signal in the community because of Telegram being banned where I am currently at, or me not being able to access VPN. But the trade hit stop loss, so luckily I didn't send this in the community. I'm going to put in the trade somewhere there, 2 lot size. And prior to that date, I gave another signal which I made about $6,000 from it. I'm going to put in the screenshot too. But then guys, one of the beautiful things about this trip is that it was really necessary for me to come for this trip. I've visited some beautiful places. Nakupenda Beach, which was the first beach to host the first wedding that took place here in Zanzibar. I'm going to be making a vertical video of it for you to see. Yeah, it's really beautiful. And then we visited I don't know the name, is it Salam something? Salam Cave. So we visited Salam Cave where we had to play and bathe with the tortoise from in the area. It was really awesome. But one thing I want you to have in mind is that stop loss is normal, TP is normal. The day you get to understand that you are going to be making losses, you are going to be making wins, it's going to be normal. Yes, yesterday I hit a stop loss of $1,800, but prior to the date of yesterday, I made $6,000 from my trades, which I'm going to put in the screenshots here. So at the end of the day, if you can't accept the losses, you will always be in pursuit for TPs, and it can't happen all the time, guys. There should be some days that rains will fall and some days that sun will shine. You have already seen me making over $28,000 from one of my platform trading accounts from the month of February and the month of March, putting everything together, which I think I shared some of the screenshots with you from in my previous video, but you can see that still on this video. I'm going to be putting it somewhere around here for you to see. At the end of the day, you just need to accept that this journey is not an easy journey, but with rightful information, patience, consistency, and commitment, you will get there. So currently at Fumba Town, it's really beautiful. We don't have such an estate like this in my country, Cameroon. That is the reason why it's important for us to move out, move to new locations, so that you can get inspired, and as we are hustling and trading, you can have money. And I mean, invest in some things like this. It's really beautiful. So at the end of the day, I want somebody to talk to you guys, which is One Big Marathon, a brother, a friend of mine, and we have always been together. And this is for the Cameroonian community. Collaboration is one of the biggest things that we lack in our country, Cameroon, and I want to talk about it. Allow my friend alone.
This is One Big Marathon.
Come here. So this is One Big Marathon. I don't know if you have something to say to our community out there, especially the Cameroonian traders and African traders, to be precise, because there is a lot of beefing, unnecessary competition.
Beefing?
Yeah.
Really? I don't see them. Do you know why? Because anybody you should be listening to is somebody that have done something better than you, and that's somebody you inspired. Exactly. So if you are in any industry and there are no persons talking about you or criticizing you, that means there's something lacking. Just the fact that you have some people talking about you, that means you are doing something great. But I'll give an advice to those people. Before you come online and start to say things about things you don't know, I'll beg on you to do your research, because ignorance is a very bad disease. And it's very dangerous. So I advise you to always research, get to know things more, And instead, look at the other side. Instead of condemning, why not collaborating? Why not ask these guys, what can we do? How can I join you guys? What is in for me? How can I get this? How true is this? Because people think the moment you do something that a lot of people are not doing, it's impossible. So they are used to with the normal 9 to 5 lifestyle and all that stuff. But when they see you still flexing and still balling and still doing what they cannot do, it bothers them. So I just advise you guys to look at the other side of things. The sky is, excuse me, the sky is so wide and there are a lot of things you can benefit if we all come together. I share my ideas, you share me yours, we come together and start something big. Like right now, I'm just looking at this and I'm imagining there are big places in Cameroon. How about we come together, purchase a place like this and set up a plan? How about we get a place like this and have about 100 of this inside? You have one, I have one, I have one. You can start off something big. So there's always something to gain when you guys collaborate. And this is an opportunity I'm giving to anybody. If you have something like this, an idea of this, where we can get a space like this, to start something big like this, I appreciate. As for trading, yeah, I've been taking some trade here and there, and Instagram here is really, Telegram here is really, really slow, but we've been still trying to do something. But we have not really been active throughout these past days because we've been here and there attending the UN conference, going out sightseeing. So I think it is our second week that we are going to be, free, relaxed to actually share out some educational content. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, you drop a comment, and guess where our next vacation is going to be, because that will be very soon. And I can't wait to see you guys join us on our tour, on our trips, on our vacation, because this is what happens when you collaborate and when you think positive. It's one big marathon, and I'll see you outside.
Guys, you finally heard from One Big Marathon. He's also on YouTube, but he mostly posts weekly forecasts. He doesn't make lifestyle content like me. Sometimes I do, but this is just for you to see that there's no reason beefing one another. We're in an industry where what it takes for you to actually be a millionaire is your personal skill and not somebody else where maybe trying to block the market for you. What he knows doesn't stop me from accessing the market, and what I know doesn't stop him. But coming together help us share ideas to see that this is actually what you can do to make more money. I mean, the market is open to everybody, and if I make $1,000, it doesn't stop him from making his own $1,000. So this is an appeal to the Cameroonian trader community and all the other sectors that we have. Guys, you can't do it alone. You can't do it alone. You need people. You need people to give you an advice. There are some things that Marathon will advise me on and even go out of his way to force me, convince me to do them. And when I do them, it works out for me very much. I can't really share details about that, but I'm saying this as a testament to collaboration is the key. So guys, we are going to be going to the next level of our vacation, which is going to be moving to Dar es Salaam. That's the capital city of Tanzania, right? Yeah. So we are going to be having the fun continuing there. We were to do some other activities. I don't know if we'll have time to do them.